slow waltz versus Viennese waltz.
Both of them are waltzes, but there are a few things you have to know to enjoy both of these dances.
So, Viennese waltz, grandfather of all dances. First of all, we have to focus on the speed, 60 bars per minute. This is very fast dance. Secondly, very special footwork. All 6 steps of natural and reverse turn, very special. And finally, amount of the turn. And slow waltz. First of all, it's much slower. It's actually named saying slow waltz. Only 28 bars per minute. Secondly, we do have rise and fall in our footwork. And of course, turn much less than in the Viennese waltz.
And now, what is so special about footwork in Viennese waltz and slow waltz?
In slow waltz, we're going to use gradual rise and fall. 1, 2, 3. Start to rise at the end of 1, continue 2, continue 3, and go down in the end of 3. We dance it natural turn of the slow waltz. 1, 2, 3. We start to rise in the end of 1, continue on 2, continue on 3, and then going down in the end of count 3. So take step backward, 4, toe heel, then start to rise. 5, continue to rise 6, and go down in the end of count 6.
Now, what is unique about the footwork in Viennese waltz?
In the Viennese waltz, we also have 2 halves of natural turn. 1, 2, 3, first half, and 4, 5, 6, second half. In the first half, our footwork almost the same. We start to rise in the end of 1, continue on 2, continue on 3, and go down in the end of count 3. But second half, this is a big difference. We're going to take step backward on the count 4. Toe heel 4, then no foot rise, ball of your right foot 5, and then bringing feet together. Can you see I'm keeping my left foot flat, no foot rise on the count 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flat.
Point number 2. The amount of the turn we do in the slow waltz and Viennese waltz.
In the slow waltz, we're going to do 135 degrees turn or 3/8 turn. In the Viennese waltz, we're going to do more turn, 180 degrees or half of the turn. When we're dancing natural turn in the slow waltz, we are facing a line of dancing diagonal to the wall. And after preparation step, we're going to take 1, 2, 3. 135 degrees turn, and we're now making line of dancing. Second half of the natural turn, step backward 4, continue to turn 5, 6, and now we are facing diagonal to the center. 135 and 135, 270 degrees together. Now, Viennese waltz. First of all, we're going to start line of dancing, facing diagonal to the center, and we're going to do 180 degrees turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 bars of the music, and we complete full 360 degrees rotation.
Now, point number 3, the speed of these dances.
Viennese waltz, very fast dance, 60 bars per minute. In each bar, we have 3 beats, so we're going to take 180 steps per minute or 3 steps per second. Slow waltz, much slower, only 28 bars per minute.
Viennese waltz versus slow waltz. Both beautiful dances, but you have to remember about the speed, about the footwork, and the amount of the turn.